Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you guys how to create a community website on Wix.com. For that, what you need to do is click on Wix.com. If you are new to Wix, what you need to do is log in or sign up to your Wix website with a suitable password, and the dashboard or a home screen will appear. And now that you want a community website, you need to go to create new site, because it will direct you to a new folder. It will let's just move to the create new site first, and then I will show you guys. Now it will ask you that if you want to start a chat. If you really want to start a chat, you can click on it, but since I do not want to set up with chat, so I'm going to click on setup without chat. Here, they're asking you if you want, what is the type of website that you want? Online stores, there are different portfolios, blogs, consultants, technology, restaurants, or events. I'm going to type here community. Here, there is community movement, hub, service, church, garden, event, and college. Large number of options that are given by Wix. Wix just surprises me every time I open it. What I'm going to do is choose, let's just say I choose Community Hub. Click on it, and here, just continue on Community Hub. It is going to prepare a dashboard for you. Might take a second. And here it has directed you to your dashboard. Now you need to enter the name of your site, that what type of the site do you want. Just name your site. Let me just type 9. You can type whatever. I'm just giving you the reference. And now what you need to do is choose whether do you want to sell the products, offer the services, build a community, or share the knowledge, whatever you want. I'm going to choose offer service, display creative work, share my knowledge, and continue. Now they're going to ask you what type of the Wix apps do you want. I am going to choose these. There are more options that you can use: blogs, different portfolios, file sharing. I'm going to choose groups and bookings. Moreover, I am also looking for more if there is any. You can also choose music. That is so cool. Let's just say donations I want, because this is for the community. Just continue to the dashboard. Here, it has shown you your dashboard. Now just go to your connect a custom domain. Let's just go. It has already created a website name for me. You can create your first fundraising campaign. You can set up your payment methods here. You can design your website. This is one of the most important features, and this is one of the most important thing for you guys, or you can get found in the Google. So I'm going to design the site because it is very necessary for you. You can generate a design using AI if you want to start from the scratch, and if you have more time for yourself to create a new design and you do not want to copy anyone, just click on this one. Or you can also pick a template if you're looking forward for more ideas, and if you don't have the idea of your own, you can just click on it. I'm going to choose a template. Wix provides you numerous templates that you can use. You see this, every time I come to the template page, I get confused because each template is literally better than the other one. Let me just type here community, because I'm looking more for the community ones. So let's just type here community. Here, these are all hundreds of the templates that are given for the community. So let's just choose, I'm looking for more, let's just say I'm choosing this one. Let's just click on edit, you could simply view it, you could edit it. I am directly clicking on edit because, yeah. So here you see it might take about 1 to 2 minutes to load your site, add different features, add different elements and different options. You see all the features appearing on the screen. This is loading my page. This is one of the best things I love about Wix. I love every single thing about Wix because personally Wix is my favorite. It just does everything for you on its own and you do not need to struggle for so many things on the other websites. Here you see it is adding my Wix bookings almost here. You see, I'm going to cancel this one. I have different options, add elements, sections, pages, site designs, apps, businesses, medias. I'm going to go click on the homes. Here you see, I am going to go click on, I'm looking for, these are all the pages that are present on the site. Thank you page, card page, member page, all of these pages are available. Let me just focus it, zoom in for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is you guys can actually adjust it according to your taste. I'm looking forward for more pages, scrolling it down. You can also use the mobile option because most of these sites will be appearing on the mobile. Let's just go to the home page and manage. Here you see there are different pages that are present on this template that I chose. You can adjust these pages. You can simply rearrange them if you want the home page first, if you want the terms and conditions first. You can also click on the three dots and you can delete any page. You can simply delete whatever the page you don't like. You can also edit them. What I'm going to do is you can add the new page as well. Let me just show you guys how to add the new page. These are the pages that are given. For instance, I want to show that I have a team and I'm looking for more of the teamwork. So just add the page. This is loading. It is going to add my page. You see the team. You're going to rename it if you want. I don't want to rename it. Now you can edit it according to your style. You can zoom it out. You can see this is the team page that is going to appear on your website. And yes, you can also change more things. You can adjust more things, whatever the way you want, and simply edit these according to your style that you want. Manage pages, and you can simply go and adjust these. You can simply delete these. I'm so invested into Wix that I do not have I'm not even thinking what to speak. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys understood how to create a community. Thank you.